Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson, the Kite Festival. Through the previous video, you come to know that how different types of kites are used, little information about kite flying and its tradition. In the further part, we came to know about how people in Gujarat celebrate the kite flying festival on the occasion of Makar Sankranti as well as Uttarayan. Let us see the remaining half part of this lesson, which starts with this line, a wonderful variety. Let us start. A wonderful variety of kites is seen and the fussy buyer can choose what he wants. The more serious players prepare special lines for their kites. There is music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. So it is about that the kite festival in Gujarat only. The word fussy, it means very choosy, and delicacies means fine special food items. Let us see what the paragraph means. A wonderful variety of kites is seen and the fussy buyer can choose what he wants. So there is variety of kites available in the market where the buyer has many options what to choose or what kite should be chosen. The more serious players prepare special lines for their kites. Here the line means thread, the thread which is used for cutting others kites. What do we call in Marathi? Manja, right? So special threads, special lines are prepared for cutting others kites. There is music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. As the festival of Makar Sankranti is being celebrated, various types of fine special food items are prepared, and with the music in the air, people enjoy the food items as well as kite flying. Next paragraph. Held on the same day, the bigger event, however, is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. So here is the information about International Kite Festival, which is held at Ahmedabad, which is organized by Gujarat State Tourism Corporation and which is held at Sardar Patel Stadium or Police Stadium every year. So this is what the special about kite festival. It has got international importance on the day of Makar Sankranti specially. Next paragraph. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skills in flying exotic kites and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK and other countries. Excited spectators watch in awe as marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar into the skies. So here, from which countries the kites are brought and how people from other countries participate, that is given. What is it? International kite flyers, they are to attracted towards this festival and they demonstrate, they show their skills with their exotic kites. Here the word exotic means belonging to far away lands. In short, we can say foreign kites, the kites prepared in other countries. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK and other countries. So on the occasion of International Kite Festival, Kites from Japan, USA, and UK, that is United Kingdom, are also brought in Gujarat, and where some Indian little kites also compete with them. Excited viewers, watch in awe. Here the word awe means wonder or amazement. People who are watching, they wonder how marvelous shapes of eagles, snakes soar into the sky. So such a types of kites are also prepared and they are used in this festival. Next paragraph. One of the highlights of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. A visit to this bazaar in the middle of the night is enough to prove that the entire city is obsessed with kites. People crowd the streets and buy their stocks, haggling through the night. So here is little information about Kite Bazaar at Ahmedabad. What is it? Patang or Kite Bazaar, which is there in the heart of Ahmedabad, that is at the center, which is open 24 hours for whole week. Why? Because to mark the celebration, and it shows that how much people enjoy this festival. What is further? A visit to this bazaar in the middle of the night is enough to prove the entire city is obsessed with kites. Here the word obsessed means totally occupied with one aspect. That is what, when you go to this market, you will find only kites everywhere. So it is named as Patang or Kite Bazaar. People crowd in the streets and buy their stocks, haggling through the night. Here the word haggling means bargaining. People bargain for the prices, they decide the prices, discuss about the prices, and they purchase many of the kites in stocks to cut others' kite and enjoy kite festival. Next paragraph. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite making skills and how to prepare the special thread used for kite flying. Mixture of glue and ground glass cover the lines, which are dried and rolled onto reels known as firkis. These lines are too sharp that carelessly used they can cut a finger. So what is this paragraph about? In which it is mentioned how the thread or line for kite flying is prepared. Let us see what is it. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite making skills and how to prepare the special thread used for kite flying. As this festival has got international importance in Gujarat, many people are taking interest in making or preparing kites. So nowadays many skilled craftsmen who design and make the kites are found in Gujarat. So they compete with age-old kite making skill, that is traditional kite making skills. Besides that, special thread is prepared for kite flying. What is it? Mixture of glue and ground glass cover the lines. The mixture of glue and ground glass which is used on that line for kite flying or to cut others' kite, which are dried and rolled onto reels known as firkis or what we call chakri. If we use those lines, those threads carelessly, it may cut off our finger or fingers. Let us see the next paragraph, which is the last paragraph of this lesson. The excitement does not end with nightfall. Now it is time for illuminated box kites, often strung on one line, to be launched into the sky, called tuckles or tuckles. They add a grand beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of the star. Here the word illuminated means lighted up. In the daytime, people cut off each other's kites, and as it is the night, people do not stop kite flying, because in the night it is the time for illuminated box kites. People enjoy kite flying with illuminated, that is the kites which has lights or lighted box kites they use in the night, and they are named as tuckles or tuckles in regional language, which are those are the lighted kites, or those are the illuminated box kites. They are called as tuckles in regional language. They add grand beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of the stars. Brilliance, that is luster, shining. Whatever shining or luster of stars we observe, such a type of luster, such a type of shining is observed from those illuminated box kites. So it is said as they compete, the box kites, illuminated box kites compete with the brilliance of the stars. So this is all about the lesson, the kite festival, in which detailed information about how people in Gujarat enjoy kite flying, that is given. I hope you all will understand the given explanation.